Welcome to nononsensebooking.com. In this video, I will show you how you can set minimum stay for your booking.com listing. Now, there are two places you can set it, and for that, you first need to understand how the rate plans work. For every property on booking.com, you can set multiple rate plans. You can click on rates and availability once you're logged into your booking.com extranet, and then choose rate plans. And you can define as many rate plans as you want. For example, for this property, I have 4 different rate plans defined. The first one is a standard rate, and then I have weekly rate and monthly rate and a non-refundable rate. Now for each of these rate plans, you can set a minimum night. For example, for my weekly rate, it is 7 nights minimum, and the monthly rate is 28 nights. So as soon as someone chooses 7 nights, this rate plan will kick in. And for 28 nights, this one will kick in. But by default, this is my standard rate and it is set to minimum 2 nights. If you want to change it from 2 to 3, you can click on edit and go into this setting, minimum stay, and change it to 3. That's one place. And when you change it here, what it's going to do is it will apply this minimum nights to all the future dates in your calendar. And once that is done, now there is another clever way they let you set a minimum stay night. For that, you go into rates and availability again and choose dynamic restriction rules. Click on here. And now this is where you can set a different minimum length of stay. For example, if you want to open it for 1 night, if something is not sold in 60 days on all room types, on all rate plans, and apply it until you turn it off. So what it effectively does is, if anything is not sold in next 60 days, it will open all those dates for 1 night, and anything outside those 60 days is still going to be minimum 2 nights. And with that, I hope you find this video useful. Please do like this video and subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment if you would like me to make a video about something which is troubling you. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Until next time, bye-bye.